epidermal layer. We are going to fill up one fleshy part of the layer.